Hi everyone! You are on the SAS Reviews channel. My name is Ian, and today we will talk about the Espeak text-to-speech open source project. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! Espeak is a text-to-speech software service that is free and open source. It allows users to convert text into spoken words using a simple and straightforward interface. In this review article, we will examine the features and performance of Espeak. One of the key strengths of Espeak is its versatility. The software is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. This makes it an ideal choice for people who use different devices or work on different platforms. It also supports a wide range of languages, including many that are not supported by other text-to-speech software. Another feature that sets Espeak apart is its small file size and low resource usage. This means that it is easy to download and install, and it does not require a lot of processing power to run. This makes it an excellent choice for people who have older or less powerful computers. In terms of performance, Espeak is very accurate and efficient. It can read text in multiple languages, and it can also read complex documents such as technical manuals and academic papers. The software is able to adjust the speed and pitch of the speech, and it also allows users to select from a range of different voices. Additionally, Espeak can be used to generate audio files in a variety of formats, including WAV and MP3. While Espeak may not have the same range of features or natural-sounding voices as some commercial text-to-speech software, it is a reliable and effective choice for people who need a basic text-to-speech tool. Its small file size and low resource usage make it an ideal choice for people with older or less powerful computers, and its wide range of language support makes it a valuable tool for language learners and multilingual users. Overall, Espeak is an excellent text-to-speech software service that is free, open source, and easy to use. Its range of features and compatibility with different devices and operating systems make it a great tool for people with different needs and preferences. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to listen to text rather than read it, Espeak is definitely worth considering. That was the SAS Reviews and Ian. See the link to Espeak in the description. See you soon. Have a great day.